How to add your Google or Gmail account profile picture in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this process, what you can simply do is launch any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome. Then make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and then tap on settings. Then tap on the email account over here and then scroll down to the very end and tap on manage your Google account. As you do that, it will lead you to a new page over here where you can see your Google account over here. So all you have to do is just tap on this personal info option over here. As you do that, here you can see the profile picture option. So just tap on this camera icon. And as you do that, you can see the option of add profile picture. So tap on add profile picture. And here you'll be given three options, either to add your profile picture from illustrations, your Google Photos or device photos. So you can use your own pictures as well. If not, then you can just use this illustrations that is provided by the Gmail. So I'm going to use this illustration for you. So I'm going to tap on this image right now. And as I do that, you can select the colors, presets, and so on. You can crop it and make unnecessary changes. I'm going to keep it the same way and then tap on next and then tap on set as profile picture. Now the profile picture is being saved, so just wait for a while until it loads. And there you go, the profile picture has been updated. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.